show, a show. We're gonna go see a show of planes. I don't know. It's in Clearfield, Utah. The designated driver. Listen, it's so cool. So you guys gotta register here. And then we're in. Come on. Woo.
Like raffle ticket?
Thank you, yeah. Raffle ticket. Hey guys. Hi, Javi. Okay, so we just found out you can't actually get on the planes, so we're gonna start checking some out. Hi, Kelly. Hi, Jonathan. Woo. Hi, Tina. Miranda. Woo.
Are these planes real?
Yeah, they're real.
But did they just park it?
Wow, this one's huge. Look at that one. Look, you want to go inside? Yeah. Wow, look at this one. So cool.
There was another agenda.
Hey girls, what you getting?
Yeah.
Oh, some candy and pens. Did you get one? Say thank you. Woo. There's a lot of smoke. There we go. Awesome. Awesome. Do you like it? Yeah.
Yeah.
And so Jonathan's talking.
You know, I tell a lot of people, I was like these young kids.
Okay, so we set up this little, with just one little shade we have. The girls are here. We just set up our little nook here. There it goes. Where is it? Sam's here. Look at the people. Suena duro. Awesome. Qué calor tengo. So we're getting earplugs because it's very, very loud. Isn't it loud?
I want another one. No.
For me, a little bit, for them, a lot.
Quiere que le tapen la cara.
Victoria doesn't like the noise. And don't eat that. Those are earplugs. Don't eat the earplugs. See. Those were in your Tío Jonathan's ears. Don't eat them. No. Está en nuestras vidas. Hidrátese bien, hidrátese bien. I want you guys to see how many people are over there. It is impressive. She's very hot. So we decided to go explore while our men. Wow! While the men watch the show, we want to go check out the airplanes, sunglasses. You got food. We got everything. girls.
Whoa.
What are you guys getting? You guys getting some sunglasses? Let me see. Put them on. Put them on.
You gotta take a little sticker on.
Take off the little sticker. Miranda, put it on.
Match your shirt.
Yeah. They're so cool. Put them on. Yeah, they're all the same, babe. Put them on. Wow. Let me see. Wow. You guys are
Show me
grooving
how my eye
and
looks.
moving and grooving somewhere grooving.
Oh, another bomb, another bomb.
Thank you. You guys say thank you?
Thank you.
Okay, so we got backpacks, we got glasses. What else did we get? We got fanny packs. We got some fanny packs. Oh, there she is. We're gonna wait for that one and see what we get there.
We can't climb.
I don't know. Oh, I think you get like a frisbee here.
Let's line up.
Yeah, let's line up and see what we get. Wow.
Mami, el coche y los sillas, el carpet.
TV, how cool are the superheroes? Look.
Picture?
Do you want to take a picture?
Right here.
You're a little shy. Look, we got Captain America, we got Iron Man, we got Spider-Man. How cool. You got... Okay, so the temperature has risen. Somebody take that bazooka away from him. It's really hot. I got the kids under here. Oh my god. They're so hot. It's still full of people. She's happy if she's eating. She doesn't care about the sun, the heat, hot, nothing. Still a bunch of people. Let's go, guys! Woohoo!
Hi guys, I'm Miranda. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at the planes.
Go, let's go! Oh, it's slippery. Wow. Tiene papi. How cool! It's so cool. Wow. How cool, V. Say hi. No vamos. We're leaving. We're about to take off.
Súper hueco.
Sí. Hi, Sam.
Algunos lo repletan de comida, vaina.
So cool.
Arriba,
Hey, that was fun. Sí, no, por aquí. Yeah, no, let's go back the way we came. Too much sun. Let's go back. Come on, go. Do it again. Okay, so we're towards the end of our trip. We're very sweaty, very hot, very sweaty, very hot. Everybody's just trying to find shade. Miranda's hot.
God bless America.
God bless America. Abby.
We keep seeing a lot of planes flying around.
Say bye, guys. We had fun. Say bye.
Bye guys, I hope you have a good day.
Bye.